Welcome to MadMe Codes, where tech meets business. Back in summers, we tried using n8n to build one of our project idea, something that would be really helpful for venture capitalists. They receive a lot of pitch deck emails, and one of our friends working at a VC firm told us about their internal process. Their current workflow was all startups would send pitch decks to a common VC email account. Interns would manually reply to those emails. Whosoever responded became the POC, point of contact for that startup. The POC's job was to maintain an Excel sheet by reading each email and filling the columns like startup name, founder name, sector, one-liner. So we basically wanted to automate this entire process, and we actually succeeded. Yes, we tried n8n and it worked out, but eventually we switched back to custom solution because we hit some bottlenecks. When we were using n8n, the automation was super easy. It was literally just drag and drop. Insert API keys, connect Gmail, OpenAI for the one-liner, XLX for writing data, and we had it all working smoothly. But then we faced a few problems. Hosting it as a backend wasn't just cost effective. We also faced some issues on the OAuth setup. n8n uses OAuth from the developer side, not the end user side. We didn't want to expose any technical complexity to our user. Since we wanted to turn this into a SaaS product, we need full control. We realized that n8n is just a wrapper with a drag and drop UI, but the actual logic with the Gmail, XLX, etc. is something we could easily code ourselves. So we did that. We even considered a hybrid approach, hosting an n8n container, but it just added unnecessary complexity. Why bother when we could write the code ourselves? n8n might be great for automation you see on YouTube, but for production SaaS, I would prefer custom backend any day. So this is my conclusion. n8n is nothing but just a wrapper around APIs you can code directly. Custom backends gives you fully control, and I'm not saying n8n is bad, it shines for internal automations but not for customer facing SaaS. The easy drag and drop becomes a limitation when you need custom logic. You were listening to MadMe Codes. Thank you for your valuable time.